Do you know how going to yoga class and going to the bank are the same? No, this isn't a riddle. I want to tell you how they actually are similar. I'm Krista Oakes, and each Monday I like to share with you Mindful Monday. And this Monday, I want to share with you how going to yoga is like going to the bank. Because when you go to the bank, hopefully anyway, you are placing deposits. You are putting money in your bank account that you can then use it anytime that you want later on. And guess what? When we go to our yoga mat, we are filling ourselves up. We are making deposits through our self-care that give us the strength, the energy, the peace and the calm, the intention, the consciousness to be able to utilize those things later when we need them. It's like when you go to the bank, you might not realize later what you're going to need it for, but when you need it, it's there. When you go to your yoga mat, you know you're filling yourself up, and you might not know exactly how you're going to need it or when it's going to show up and how it's going to show up for you. But because you've placed the deposits, because you've filled yourself up, because you've done the work and created the consciousness, when you need it, it's there. So the next time you go to your yoga mat, I want you to recognize the gift that you're giving yourself, the deposits and the credits that you are filling yourself up with so that they will be there for you later when you need them. I hope you have a wonderful day. Namaste.